Guys, ayan si Nathan, meron na naman siyang 3 gifts dito. Sino nagbigay sa'yo? Who gave you that? Who gave you the present? Toto what? Toto what? Toto Dave, yay! Did you say thank you to Toto Dave?
Thank you, Toto Dave.
Okay. Do you like the present? How many are there? 3 presents. What colors?
I want to which color do we want?
Okay. What do you want?
Blue first.
Blue first. Okay, you need to open the blue color. Open it. Open the blue one. Wait. Okay, mommy will take a video lang. Okay, open. What's inside? Do you know what's inside? Do you know what's inside? No, you can do it, Nathan. You can do it. Oh, you can do it, Nathan. You can do it, Nathan. Oh, wow. You're so strong. Yes. Wow, Nathan is so strong. What's that? What's that? What's that? A dinosaur! So many dinosaurs, right? Oh, later mag-open. You pick another color. Yes. Oh, wow. This is your, what's that? This is a small dinosaurs, right?
What is here? I want
Yan,
this
guys.
one. Red color.
A red color. Sige. Okay. Open it. Oh, you're so strong. You can do it, Nathan. You can do it, Nathan. You can do it, Nathan. Do you like the dinosaur? Open it. Oh, no, you're not strong. You're not strong. Are you strong or not? Ay, no, don't do that. Mommy will help you. Here. Oh, here. Open here. It's so heavy. Oh, what's that? What animal is that? It's the same?
The zoo.
Ah, this is these are dinosaurs. These are the animals, different kinds of animals.
I want to open
The next one.
orange. Oh, sorry.
Oh, the orange one. You open it. You can do it, Nathan. Wait. Okay. Here, open here. Oh. You can do it, Nathan. You can do it, Nathan. What animals? Sea animals! Wow! It's a sea animals! Wow! Sabi niya, sea animals.
How is the sea animals? This sea by boat. This one is plant. This one is animal.
Animal for the land.
Yay! We did it!
He did it.
How will you open the animals?
How can you open the animals? Oh no. Parang 2,000 plus nearly yan Nearly 3,000 magkano yung isa? 869.
How will you open it?
Mamahal man ito. It's so expensive. Oh, I don't know. You ask Toto later. You wait for Toto to finish. Toto is eating pa. Okay, let's wait for Toto. Okay. Punta siya sa trash. You will throw it? You will throw it? Wow, very good Yan guys, ito yung laruan. Sea animals daw to, tama. Magaling na si Nathan. Land animals and then may mga dinosaurs. Wow, you have 3 gifts from Toto. What will you say? Say thank you again to Toto.
Thank you, Toto. Where? Look! There's a Tyrannosaurus!
Wow! You like it? There's so many animals, right?
Look! I see head!
What's that? Okay, later we will open it. Let's wait for Toto first, okay? Okay, say bye-bye muna. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you again later. Say bye-bye na Nathan. Bye-bye.
Oh, what's that? You like this one? Daddy for this one, Mommy for this one, and Lisa for this one.
Oh,
Say bye-bye.
there's an handle.
Wiggle. How do I open it?
How?
No.
You ask Toto.
How to open it? How to open it?
Oh no, Nathan have a sipon. Nathan sneeze. Nathan? Oh, what is that? What is that?
Look, there's a crab. We want to eat you.
It's a crab. There's a crab, and what else can you see there aside from crab? Say bye-bye, Nathan. Nathan, bye-bye first. Ang cute ng boses niya. Ang cute. Tong, 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 pakitong, kitong, alimango, sa dagat, malaki at masarap, mahirap, mahuli, sapagkat nangangagat, baby yan ni Mami Pakitong Kitong. Okay, say bye-bye. See you again next time. Ako si Cutie Pie, pero makuliti pa yan aming baby Castro. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I will thank you.
Ah!